Apple just wrapped up its Far Out event, giving us a look at the new iPhone 14, 3 new Apple Watch models, and the next generations of AirPods Pro headphones. But what about everything Apple hasn't announced? What's up guys, hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to discuss everything about the new Apple 14. Some rumors we heard in the months leading up to the event simply didn't work, and some of our long-term hopes were dashed along the way. Here's everything that could still happen in the future, or that could have turned out to be a disaster. A fever detecting feature for the Apple Watch Series 8. Previous rumors indicated that Apple would introduce a new fever detection feature in the Watch Series 8. And while Apple has added 2 new temperature sensors to its device, their primary purpose is fertility monitoring. Watch Series 8 can measure users' temperatures every 5 seconds and should detect variations as low as 0.1 degrees Celsius, helping users determine the latest ovulation. Perhaps Apple could expand this feature somewhat in the future to provide fever alerts. It's possible that its fever screening capability has failed internal testing, something Apple tracker Mark Gurman warned may delay temperature screening earlier this year. A new iPhone mini. Sorry little phone fans, but the iPhone 14 line doesn't include a new mini model. The latest versions of Apple's Mini came out with the iPhone 13 last year. The device has a smaller 5.4-inch display, and this may not appeal to those who prefer a larger screen, but its compact size makes it ideal for pockets. However, I will not completely rule out another mini. Apple just brought back the iPhone Plus model for the first time since 2018. Perhaps if Apple sees the demand for a smaller device in the future, they will bring it back. Lossless audio for the new AirPods Pro. What Apple CEO Tim Cook calls the most advanced AirPods are still equipped with Bluetooth. While the second generation's AirPods Pro come with some notable improvements, including better noise cancellations and spatial audio, they don't come with the lossless audio that was supposed to significantly improve audio quality. While we didn't get lossless audio this time around, at least Apple has integrated Bluetooth 5.3. This version of Bluetooth uses the new LC3 audio codec for a more efficient way of transmitting audio, resulting in better audio. One USB-C port for the iPhone. Okay, this was a bit risky, but we can all dream, right? With Europe pushing Apple to ditch its proprietary Lightning port, we can expect Apple to introduce a USB-C port on its devices relatively soon. Apple is reportedly testing iPhones with USB-C right now, but Quo doesn't expect it until the second half of 2023. The mixed reality headset. Apple's mixed reality headset has become the elephant in its event room, and the rumors about the device are becoming more and more detailed. While there was no sign of the headset at the Far Out event, it wasn't necessarily a surprise. We don't expect the headset until early next year, with Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicting it could hit the market in January 2023. It looks like Apple is getting closer to launch as well, with Apple demanding Reality One and trademarks, registered trademarks of Reality Pro, which may imply their trademarks. The device is expected to be a standalone headset powered by an M2 chip, capable of playing mixed reality games and experiences. Apple's board of directors was reportedly able to test the device earlier this year, and hopefully we won't have to wait long to see for ourselves. Satellite calling and texting. Apple's star-studded Far Out event mode, it looked like the company was preparing to launch innovative satellite connectivity for the iPhone 14. It didn't help that rumors about Apple's plans to support satellite calls and the messages have been circulating for months. There was some substance to those rumors. Apple ended up announcing the ability to send SOS alerts to emergency services using satellite connectivity on the iPhone 14. This feature was rumored to be for the iPhone 13 last year, and it's good to see it finally materialize. With operators like T-Mobile looking to dive into satellite messaging, Apple may finally get in the game, and these SOS alerts could be the first step. What's up next? Apple isn't finished releasing new devices this year. The company is expected to add to its Mac and iPad lines at an October event. There, we'll likely see a new iPad Pro with an M2 chip, as well as an entry-level iPad with a revamped design. On the Mac side, Apple is rumored to announce 3 new Macs equipped with the M2 processor, including Mac Mini, Mac Pro, and MacBook Pro. We also expect Apple to release iPad OS 16 and Mac OS Ventura around this time. Tell us in the comment sections your views on this topic. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you like watching our content, please consider subscribing to our channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.